Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be working on this gorgeous diamond painting. This is a partial special drill diamond painting from OneDaySaving. It is of this gorgeous heart and I love all the colors. I love the size, 30 by 30 centimeter. It has 14 different drills in it, which is quite a lot for such a small size, but I think it's going to come up absolutely beautifully. I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. And I think it's printed very well. No problem at all reading those symbols. There's two symbol keys, one on each side. There's one over here. As you can see there, they look pretty good. I don't think there's going to be any issues there. I love how the background is done. And I love this design. I think it's really pretty. Got this whole other design going on in the heart shape. It's so gorgeous. So I don't think there's going to be any issues there. Printed very well. Alright, I'll zoom you back out again. Out we go. I have a quick look at those drills. So the drills come on special strip, on these standard strips. And first up you've got your rhinestones, so you've got some absolutely gorgeous clear, and the pink is so beautiful. Green, beautiful blue, wow, that's gorgeous. I like that pink. So they're looking really good on the backs of those drills. I'm pretty happy with those so far. There's a couple of scratch ones, but that's not unusual. Got some gorgeous purple, yellow, and so you've got some larger round blue and purple drills. Same thing but in the green. I love those ones. I love how they change their colors. I think they look really cool. And you've got some white teardrops with some AB coating on it. Some clear rounds. Some beautiful pink marquees, and you've got these gorgeous pinky red marquees as well. And just looking at the backs of those, they look really, really good. So I love the color combinations. I think it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. So there you go. I'm going to be working on this one. I will come back to you with my review. With my review on this one, let you know if I had any issues, that sort of thing. So I'm going to jump in and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so all finished. I think this turned out absolutely amazing. The drills were just really, really good quality. And I love how the design works. You've got this beautiful intricate patterns going on inside the heart design. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And then you've got these little pieces on the outside to balance it. I think it's just amazing. And I love the way that the different shapes of the drills were used. I think it works really, really well. So I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. And my lighting's a little bit low today. It's a bit cloudy, so I'm not going to get the best possible shine on those, but they're super shiny. All the different colors there. There's so much going on in there. It took me a little while actually to do this diamond painting because there's so many drills you have to place. I think it turned out fantastic. And then that tippy top up there. Really, really shiny. Beautiful drills. Alright, I'll zoom you back out again, so out we go. And I'll show you the leftover drills. So I just worked, look in there. So I just worked straight out of the bags with these ones. I usually do that with the smaller sort of projects. But there was lots and lots and lots of drills left over. I had no trouble at all with them. They were beautiful drills. You can see there's heaps left over. Try not to dump them upside down. But you can see there, like with those teardrops, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful drills. I love these clear drills. Really beautiful. And then last but not least, you've got your little rhinestones. And I'll tell you what, the pink, hang on, there was the two pinks. Yeah, those two. Absolutely beautiful colors, and they work so beautifully together. Just really pretty, clear, really good quality drills. Oh, I just love those colors. Absolutely gorgeous. So there you go. That is my beautiful special drill heart diamond painting that I got from OneDaySaving. Absolutely love this. It was just, the quality of those drills were amazing, and I really love the way that the design works. So absolutely gorgeous. I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending this out to me for review. I absolutely love it. I am going to frame it and find somewhere to hang it up because it's just too pretty to hide away. So I will be linking this in the description box below as well if you're interested. But thank you so much, OneDaySaving, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!